Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Dixie on a daily time frame right now, and as you can see, Dixie hit its resistance at 104.50, and it's getting a push back into this 103.50 level. Our other chart on our desktop was saying that we don't want to lose 103.20. Today, if we can close the daily at 103.50 and close the weekly CME at this level, I would look for next week to come probably test back into that 104 level and give us a little bit of a resistance test. And if we can claim it, we can go higher and test the high. If we get rejected, we can consolidate between 103 and 103.50 and 104. We can consolidate sideways until we find the juice to break up higher. Right now on RSI, you can see you're almost oversold, if not oversold. So this pullback was basically the pullback accomplished its goal of basically resetting and cooling off the oscillators. If you go to a weekly on Dixie, you can see that we're only just claiming 21 EMA and preventing the 55 and the 21 to cross to the downside. This is looking like very healthy support over here at that 102.50 level over here. So between 102 and 103, if we can hold that level, going sideways and up is still a possibility into that 107 in time, okay? So that's Dixie giving you that pullback right now. We can see if it's going to continue into next week into that 101.80 level or not. And doing so will give us upside on Bitcoin and ETH. So here's the weekly close that we're looking here at Bitcoin, and you can see that it doesn't look that great. We got a bearish engulfing weekly candle right above the 55 and the 21 EMA. Now, if this liquidity sweep wants to occur, it would usually flush down right under the 21 EMA and close for the weekly, meaning you would lose 25,800 for that weekly close for the bearish momentum to continue to the downside into that $23,000 level. If you can hold this $25,800 level before losing it on a weekly close, then you could go sideways and potentially get back up to test into that previous high over here at around 31,000. And that is what we're going to see next week as Dixie gets a deeper pullback. Bitcoin will get a test of support over here at 26,150 and then go sideways around there and then test back up into that $27,600 level, and then we can look to get into that higher 30. RSI is telling you we should be looking for downside and a test of support. And the support test that would correspond with that would be around here at 25,800, and then after that 23K even. So that is what we're looking for in Bitcoin moving forward. Let's go to ETH. So here is ETH. We just got our fib time, nice little pump into it, great. Now what we need to see is this upside going to continue? You have a lot of resistance right here at this 1900, 1925, which was a level that we were shorting multiple times. And now that we are basically opening and closing above the 100 EMA over here at 1833, this is actually looks healthy for some more sideways test of support, and then probably another test back up into that $2,200 level of Ethereum. Right now, as long as we don't lose this 1825 or 1830 on ETH with this weekly close, that will show strength. We can go dig deeper into this level next week. And then worst case scenario, 1750 is the major support. Even if we get a pullback next week, that's where we would want to see worst case scenario too, and then continue back up. Right now, we are doing good on staying on the top half of this ascending channel, which is in red. And this midline right now is acting as nice support. And now the 21 EMA, 55 EMA, 100 EMA is starting to converge onto that midline of that channel to act as support of this price action to go sideways on moving forward and then breaking out later when the juice is there. So as Dixie gets a pullback, we should be looking for a little bit of upside on Bitcoin ETH. And we'll see how that plays out moving forward. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys right now. Sorry that we didn't do any videos for the last week, but yesterday we had a live session. A few of you were there, so awesome. If you guys have any other questions or concerns, always feel free to reach out to me. I'll answer it as soon as I can. If you guys have a day that you want to trade with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other useful tidbits that I have, like our affiliate links that help us grow. So please feel free to use that as well. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Keep in mind it's Friday, it's risk off mentality. And another thing that I'll say is ascending channels are great to short off the top of. And we are coming to a top over here as you are showing yourself bearish volume divergence and a lower high bearish divergence on RSI as well. So a little bit of downside should be warranted into the, what level are we looking for? Into about 1780-ish. So keep that in mind moving forward for ETH. All right, guys, have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.